Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to install latest version of PyCharm on your Windows operating system. So first you have to go to your favorite browser and to type over here PyCharm download, hit enter. So that will show you this JetBrains.com, so just go to their official site. Next thing that you will see is this PyCharm UNIFIED product and the version is 2025.2. So click on this download button of this unified product. So I have already downloaded it, so that's why I'm going to cancel this. And here you can see that my PyCharm is already been downloaded over here. So just double click on that installer and it's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. So let's minimize our download directory. So welcome to PyCharm. Click on next. So this is where our PyCharm is going to be installed. Only thing that you need to check is how much available space you have. So I have sufficient amount of free space, so I am totally fine. You need to just check that once and click on next. So here I'll recommend you to select this first one, that is PyCharm desktop shortcut. Then I also recommend you to select this add open folder as project. So that's going to give you one additional option which will help you to open any folder within PyCharm as a project. Alright, so that's why I'll recommend you to select this one also. Also select this .py, and this is the most important one, that is add bin folder to path. So what that basically means is it's going to automatically set that Python bin folder path to our environment variable, so you don't need to do anything. Alright, so always select that and click on next. Here it's going to create a JetBrains folder, which is totally fine. Click on install and it's going to immediately start installing our PyCharm. So it's going to take a couple of minutes, so let's wait for PyCharm get installed, and by the time it get installed, I'll request you please to follow the School Python project playlist. Since we are also discussing about Python, I'm sure you are going to love all these projects. Alright, so I have created several games like rock paper scissors game, or how to deploy any Python project to some server, and that too for completely free, or how to create your very own resume builder. So just imagine web app will have all the forms, so you'll just details, so you'll just fill all the details like name, email ID, your education details, your work experience, or everything. Just it will have a form, you just fill all the things and it's going to create a resume like this. So now you can watch all these videos, and the best part is the source code data there on all these projects are also available for completely free on our official geekyscape.com website. So for example, for this project of rock paper scissors game, you can see along with the detailed explanation, entire source code also you are going to get on our official geekyscape.com website. So you can check that out. You can also check all these video tutorials that are going to only help you to learn more about Python and going to help you to land to your dream job. Alright, so here let's wait for some time. So we'll come back. So now you can clearly see that our PyCharm is rightly installed. You can see the desktop shortcut also over here, and here we have a run PyCharm option. So check that and click on finish. So that's going to start launching our PyCharm. So here is our PyCharm version 2025.2 Unified Edition is rightly started launching. And there you go. So here it will tell you whether you like to import some of their settings. If you have previously installed IntelliJ IDEA and configured it, then you can import all those previous settings from there, or else you can start from fresh or from scratch. So just proceed with skip import, and there you go. Welcome to PyCharm. Let's just maximize it. So now I'm going to show you how to create a Python project, how to run that, how to switch to the subscription mode, or how to even revert back. Everything I'm going to show you. So let's start with a new project. So that will open this new window. Here I need to provide your project name. So let's give the project name as Hello World, and I'd recommend you to select this create a welcome script. Next you will see Python version over here. So when you click on this drop down, you are going to see all these different options. I have already installed Python previously, so that's why it has recognized my path. But if you haven't installed Python previously, then you can always download it from here, or else if you still unable to see anything coming over here, I recommend you to close this for now and follow this video to install your Python. Once you have Python installed, you are going to see it coming over here. Alright, so no need to worry, just close this, install your Python, and again come back to this page. So I'll proceed with this, the latest one, and I'm going to click on create. So that's going to start creating our project, and you can see that the Hello World project is rightly started opening over here. So we maximize this. So here is our PyCharm 2025.2. So it's going to take some time. You can see it is updating our Python interpreter and going to open it. So now let's wait for some time over here. So you can see that we are in free trial. So when you click on this trial, it's going to open this window. So you can always read this beautiful article, and you can see that we have just now started our trials. About 29 days still left on our trial. So how to unsubscribe to this trial feature? So let's say you don't want to use their pro feature. How to do that? So you can go to this magnify icon and just simply type manage. So that will show you this manage subscriptions. So click on that, and here just simply click on this deactivate subscription and deactivate and restart. So that's going to relaunch our PyCharm. So you can see it is relaunched now, and here you can see we are no longer using their trial feature. So here it is currently showing start free trial. So if you want to again go back to their trial, you can click on this. That's going to show you this page, and you can click on the start free trial to opt for their trial again. So you can see activating subscription, and it is done now. So you are into trial features now. So I have showed you how to both get into trial and how to unsubscribe their trial features. So you can use it for 30 days, and after that if you want to use their pro features, you can use that, or else you can just simply unsubscribe their pro features. Alright, let's see now how to run this program. So we have this main.py file. So just simply click on this run button, and that's going to show you the output over here. Hi PyCharm, you can see it is properly showing. So in this way you can easily install latest version of PyCharm and can start working on your Python projects. Please do follow this full Python project playlist. I am sure you are going to love them. So that is basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.